I've wanted to clean this recording area out for a while now, and today I'm finally getting the chance to do it. Hey guys, what's going on? I hope you all are having a fantastic day. I know that I am. And today we are going to be doing pretty much a clean out and kind of a preparation to move some things around, because what I'm trying to do right now is really not working with my setup. So I think I'm going to move around a couple things, try and fix a couple things so it just looks better in videos and just so it's easier for me to use. So pretty much I think what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be taking all of this stuff out and we're going to be putting it somewhere over there. I don't know exactly where yet. It's going to be somewhere over there. And we're going to pretty much just clean all this stuff out and prepare to move a couple things around as how I see fit. So I'm going to start moving things around, and thankfully you guys don't have to sit around and watch me do this kind of stuff, because this is going to honestly take me quite a while to do. So thanks to the magic of video editing, you guys are going to get it condensed down to probably about a minute. For me, it's going to be about an hour, so you guys are really lucky. So I'm going to go ahead and start cleaning this stuff out. So before I started cleaning this stuff out, I figured that I would give you guys a view that I have of you guys just looking at the camera. Got my laptop with my really old Minecraft wallpaper. Not gonna lie, that laptop is from 2013, so that laptop is really old. So yeah, this is pretty much it. This is the view that I have of you guys, and the reason that is pink is to try and reflect more warm type of light, because what ends up happening is if you have something like gray, it'll reflect more of like a gray kind of tone onto you, and I don't really want that kind of cold color in my videos, so I would rather have it warm where I could edit out something. If I wanted it to be, for example, colder, I could just change the color. If I wanted it to be warmer, it's already pretty warm, so pretty much the only reason I have it pink is because I want the warm colors. So I'm going to go ahead and start doing this. I'm not going to stall anymore, so let's go ahead and start getting into the cleaning phase. Okay, so with this stuff all now cleaned out, what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm just going to go ahead and wipe it all down. Okay, so with that being all cleaned out, what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and put all that stuff back in here, and then I'm going to go ahead and do something else regarding this back wall. So I'll be right back, and I'm going to go put all this stuff away. Okay, so what I'm going to end up doing next is I'm going to end up taking all of these hook things off the wall. I've gotten a couple of comments saying that it looks like there's holes in the wall, but these are actually just little like sticky hook things. They're actually not holes or anything, but for some reason in my videos I've been noticing them too a lot lately, so I'm going to go ahead and take these down so it looks a little cleaner. Okay guys, so I just did an epic fail. A chunk kind of just came off of my wall. So, I'm going to go ahead and have to fix that later. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and have to find a better way to take these off, because it just took another chunk of my wall off. Okay, so I found the trick. What you're supposed to do is you're supposed to take it off very slowly and evenly. You're not supposed to just rip it off the wall like I've been doing. Okay, so that's pretty much it for all the studio maintenance stuff that I wanted to get out of the way in this video. And I wanted to just thank you guys for watching this video. Now, the main reason I made this video is because I found a couple tricks online of how to edit and make some lighting stuff look better. So I pretty much made this video to just test that kind of stuff out, to try and test out what it looks like in the studio and what it just looks like in general and how easy it is to do. So thank you so much for watching, and if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to click here for more videos. And if you want to stay up to date on all the latest tech news, don't forget to leave a like and or subscribe if you're new around here. So thank you all so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.